Today, I'm gonna be surprising Jeryn with a DIY heart taillight kit from NTX Glow. They provided that for us for this video so that we could have a little bit of fun and test it out. But she doesn't know that. The way we're gonna start this off is we have to use a really cheap set of eBay taillights that look pretty ugly. And so I'm gonna make her think that that's her surprise. She's gonna be nice about it, and she's gonna say they look cool, even though they don't. So before we go, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those video notifications. Also, get in there, get in the comment section, make some memes, make YouTube regret giving me the ability to have a comment section. And yes, I do watch Grand Thumb. I love it. I want that energy here. So let's go. All right, Jeryn, today you're gonna meet your arch nemesis, the box.
What box?
I just got a box for you to open. Go ahead and open that puppy up. Mind you, this is the last thing we're doing to your car before you drive it. Again, you're not allowed to mod your car again until you drive it. All right, brother. Sister, this isn't a difficult box? I don't know, you seem to have a problem with every type of box. That one day.
I'm learning, I think. I didn't know what this is for.
Well, you open it up and you'll see what it's for.
Oh, okay, I have an idea.
Oh. Yay!
Whoa. They're dark. I like it.
You like them?
Yeah.
They're really ugly.
They're not bad.
They're not bad?
No, they're not ugly. Why do you think they're ugly?
Well, because they are ugly.
You're being a hater.
No, these are like $60 taillights off of eBay.
Yeah, and they're beautiful.
I don't think you actually think that.
You're negative.
I'm memeing you right now, by the way.
You're negative.
So open this box now.
These are cute.
Open that box now.
What's this?
That's the second part. I really thought I told you guys she'd be polite and like them.
I like them. They're really not ugly.
They're kind of ugly.
Am I supposed to actually think they're ugly?
Yeah.
I think anything that goes on a Miata is cute. Am I getting memed again?
So this is a taillight kit. It's gonna take quite the amount of time to finish up. Hold it up. Let's go.
Whoa.
So today or tomorrow or however long it takes to finish these, we are gonna open these up and rebuild them. That is a heart taillight kit. So you're gonna have hearts for the blinker. Yeah, so you're gonna have hearts for the reverse light, the taillight, and the blinker. How about them apples? You really thought I was gonna hook you up with some like Chinese looking just...
I think they're cute.
If you put them on the car, I don't think you would think these are cute.
Well, alone they look cute.
Again, thanks to NTX Glow, this is a little kit that you can buy from him, and you can do it yourself. He can assemble them, and he does, but I figured, you know what? Why not do a little DIY action?
For real DIY.
It's a for real DIY taillight kit. These are like Need for Speed Underground 1.
They're really not bad.
You're being too nice, but we gotta figure out how to undo these. We'll probably have to bake them in the oven. I'm gonna teach you how to undo lights now.
Bake in the oven?
Let's go. I'm gonna get on the phone with NTX Glow, and we're gonna see exactly how this is done. Yo, what's up, dude?
Hey, how's it going?
Going good. Give me the skinny on how this stuff works.
I don't know where you want to start. If you want to start with like actually opening the lights, or if you want to start with actually building the kit.
Or I've opened headlights, taillights a few times, so I know how to do that. But if you have any tips, pro tips, anything like that?
You're gonna want to do power into one of the LEDs. The LEDs have a power and negative side to it. The long one is power, the short one's ground. Okay.
Do I need to like do a wire to each one independently?
You'll need to do a wire to each pack specifically. It'll be like 3, 4, or 5 is what they typically recommend. Otherwise, you start going into like brightness issues.
Okay.
You'll do the negative of one LED going into the power of the next LED, so on and so forth until you have a pack of 3, a pack of 4, a pack of 5. You will do power going into each pack, and you'll do ground going into each pack. You'll see like as you wire it up, it'll have to be like a group of 4 LEDs wired together, a group of 3 LEDs, or a group of 5. To you, whatever makes it easier for you.
All right, I will give it a go and follow instructions and see what we can conjure up.
Yeah, if you need help, if it's too hard, just let me know. We can probably wire it up. Like we can wire up the kit, ship it back to you. Or if you want us to just, build it out, we can do that too.
Okay, I will try.
I understand.
I will do my best. All right, cool.
It's pretty tedious, I'll be honest.
Well, if it's too much, we'll send it off and we'll finish it another day. Appreciate the help. I'll let you know.
Yeah, definitely.
Wow.
Seems like a lot.
You ready for this?
I don't even know what the word solder means.
Yeah. All right.
There's a lot of it.
Let's go.
Whatever that means.
A few moments later.
Your first words were, oh wow. So we've got Renaissance man Drew here. He's gonna be our shop help for a little while to get some cars running. But you do know a lot about wiring. So what do you think? Is this worth
this kit?
me attempting?
It's a really neat kit, but there's a lot going on with all of these individual resistors that you have to get wired correctly and the LEDs.
Yeah, so let me show you guys this. Like, here's all of our yellow LEDs. Like, these are literally just long and short, power ground. And then you have a little dimmer kit, and you have obviously this where the LEDs go into. You've got red, and then you've got the resistors, right?
Quite a few resistors. There may be drivers or something in the dimmer boards. It looks like a really nice kit.
It will be cool, but
it's a lot of work.
I don't know if this is a me job.
Day 2.
I'm just going through right now, setting these up into various groups depending on the current requirements of the LEDs. So that way we can get them matched up with the right resistors and make sure we don't blow any of these up when we turn them on.
That's good.
Once I make all these cuts and start getting them soldered together, there's kind of no going back.
All right, let me see the front side. I know it's like...
Oh, I just lost one, but...
Nice.
Tell everybody I see. I'm gonna tell everybody I agree. I'm gonna tell everybody I see. I'm gonna tell everybody I agree. I'm gonna tell everybody I see. I'm gonna tell everybody I agree. I'm gonna tell everybody I see. I'm gonna tell everybody I agree. I'm gonna try to be your woman. I'm trying to hurt my man. I'm trying to be your woman. I'm trying to hurt my man.
Day 3.
How'd you do?
I think I almost peed myself.
Let's go. All right, get in here. She just went and got gas for the first time. Jeryn, you ready to have some heart shake, boys? How you doing over there?
I think I died a little bit.
She didn't know that old Japanese cars take a while for the fuel gauge to fill up, so she thought she spent a full tank worth of money on half a tank of gas, but it takes a little while to get up there, boys. All right, so Drew ended up, as you saw, he ended up getting all of this soldered. What we're gonna have to do now is I'm just gonna hot glue everything together so that nothing moves around, because I don't want to have to take these taillights back out ever again. So Jeryn, we're gonna hot glue, and then what we have to do is we have to take your taillights off, take the taillights I got you and surprised you with. We have to put both of them in the oven, and then we have to start building. So
Sounds intense.
yeah, so we got a little bit of work to do, but we are about to get going on the heart taillight.
What literally
Hello, and welcome to my guide.
is really scary.
My name's Lenny, and you're currently watching Arts and Crafts with Taillights. I'm currently hot gluing all of the resistors just to make sure nothing moves. And then some of these wires too. We just don't want these jingling around when Jeryn starts whipping it real hard
I don't think I can
through
whip
the
it if I
through the
try.
drive. You see that? You can get, yeah, dude, look at that. So I'm gonna get these little guys glued down so we never have any problems. Also, if we ever have to service these, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be a nightmare. I'm gonna teach you to drift.
I can't even drive without issues.
You'll figure it out.
I mean, I didn't stall. Everything was going fine until a Challenger was behind me at a light.
Everything, that's the key to life.
panicking.
Everything is okay until you start seeing Dodges on the road. For the record, Drew has tested these, and we're not just like sealing them away, sealing their fate away without knowing. Would they do all work? Now that Lenny's crafts are done, we gotta go ahead and start doing the actual taillights. You're gonna go ahead and grab a 10mm. We're gonna take your stock lights out, and we're gonna put both of them in the oven. Why is that
Sounds
weird?
so
It's
wrong.
not weird, it's fine.
That's weird.
Oh, hold up. If I tap it 3 times, it goes back to me. If I tap it twice, it goes to you. Dude, I'm still figuring this out. Blows my mind every time. Sheesh. Sheesh. Didn't you draw those?
Yeah, like 2 years ago.
Hey, look what you did. Here you go. So I'm gonna put this at about 175, 200. If you guys don't have an oven that does low temps, just make sure you don't keep it in very long. We have a warm feature, and boom. It's been about 30 minutes or so. These should be These are very, very hot. I just felt them. So we gotta hurry up and get them out into the garage. So, these little tabs right here. So all we're doing, oh my God. This is the problem with these eBay lights is they are pretty cheap, so I really was genuinely not expecting that to happen. I'm sorry about your light.
It's okay, it just hurts a little bit.
So I thought we were supposed to reuse these, but I think he means the board behind the taillights. So I actually didn't need to undo the OEM ones. Oops. So these are gonna go there because like this, they don't look right on that. Fits in pretty well. I'll remove these, and I think we're gonna use one piece of the OE light, but that should be it. Now to get these out, I'm gonna
Watch them just pop right out. Yeah.
First one was not so forgiving. This one, of course, is just coming out. There you go, Drew, that's 2. And, let's see. Son of a, I guess we had the bad one. There you go, those are popped out. Now we can place these in there. All right, so it's super late. It's actually almost midnight, but I used MEK. To kind of repair some of the taillights. Worked pretty well. I'm gonna end up using nightshade spray on the outside, and I'm gonna hope that the coating fills that in, and then I'm gonna sand it, make it shiny, clear coat it, all that kind of stuff, so it looks good in the morning. These are lightly sanded. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing a light coat, and by tomorrow, these should be tinted and clear coated.
Day 4.
Okay, so after a bunch of MEK and some taillight coating and clear coat, you can really, well, it's hard to tell. Hard to tell any imperfections in the taillight, so I think we're good. I've resealed them. I'm gonna let the paint cure a little longer before I do any polishing. You guys are gonna see it. It doesn't look amazing right now because it's like hazy. I need to sand it, polish it to make it look crystal clear, but pretty cool. Let's test them out. Nice.
That one get turned?
I guess it got turned. Yeah, you got a sideways heart, Jeryn. Yes, sir, dude.
Signals. Yeah.
Little example for you guys. I just used 1,000 grit. Now I'm gonna go down to 2,000 and then 3,000. The longer that this paint and clear coat is on there, the more I'll be able to polish it, but I can only do so much today without burning it all. So after a couple weeks, I'll go back and do that, but unfortunately, we smacked something. The wiring has been kind of funky on this, and for some reason I guess the resistor popped. It looks cool, but we're gonna have to do a couple more fine adjustments. Yo, dude, that's so fire. I can't wait till I can polish these a little bit more. That's nice. Those are really bright. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but for some reason, I guess the reverse, put it in reverse, Terry, the thing just freaking fell out. So we're gonna have to do that. We'll have to fix this little board, and then when that's done, we'll pull it out and show you guys the finished product. But
6 hours later.
put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Yeah. All right, hit the brakes. Do it again. Like, keep on, like, tap them. Yeah, see? I don't know, we got something weird going on. That does look so cool, though, dude. All right, go ahead, turn it off. Turn it off.
2 hours later.
Ooh. Wires. And so that the blinkers work correctly, low equalizers. All right, now hit the brakes. Yeah, well, it works. It works. It's a little quick still. Yeah. What, are you trying to kill me? Holy crap. Are you happy, Jeryn?
Yes. I'm happy.
This did take, by the way, just for the record, this did take a while. Drew had to put a bunch of hours into soldering the board and stuff together. As you saw, it was just a lot of soldering, and then the boards he sent us, I guess, fouled or something simple. I don't know anything about wiring, but I know it looks cool, and so there you go. It's time to break out the rollers. Jerry, let's do some rollers.
Okay.
coming in. Yes, swooty. Look at these shots, dude. I mean, like, this is next level. Whoa! I'm out of control. I'm having a great time. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, this is the craziest footage. I can't catch up. Yes, sir. I will say, just if you guys do this, big thanks by the way to NTX Glow. He's been sending us whatever we need the whole time. Also Drew is an amazing help, did all the wiring. Also, I will say guys, even if you're experienced with doing lights, lights kind of like the lenses you have to use for them are very brittle. I'm probably gonna go ahead and buy her some new ones. And then now that I know how bright they are, I'll probably use a different type of tint. I might do the same thing again. You can see them pretty well when it's like, it's probably, that footage was weird and it was super bright just then. I was just reviewing the footage and I just wanted to show you guys something real quick. So this polarizer actually makes it to where you see how light is reflecting differently off of different types of surfaces. So if I would have twisted this, it would have looked completely different. These are totally visible. This camera's not doing a fantastic job of picking it up. But I don't want you guys to be skeptical or anything. They are safe and they are fine. It's just been kind of weird through the camera. I wanted to go ahead and show you these a little bit in the dark. Obviously it's not dark. These look cool. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, they were definitely a pain to install and you guys should know that through the video. I would say that if you want these, it's definitely worth just buying them from NTX Glow already pre-assembled because this is a lot of man hours unless you're really good at soldering and you're incredibly careful. I have to get new lenses for her. I don't want them to be, I don't want to put lipstick on a pig and keep polishing broken broken lenses. Although it looks good, we might explore some different options. As far as tint goes, I might actually just get real taillight tint of vinyl instead. Maybe do the inside, maybe do a chrome or something like that. We still made it look good and it looks fine, but I'll end up changing it a little bit. We need new lenses. So I do want to say big thank you to NTX Glow. They did send us out the kit. We purchased the taillights off of eBay. They're like 70 bucks or something like that. So it wasn't horrible. And then we have my shop help, Drew. He's actually going to O'Reilly right now. We're trying to get the Evo figured out. We got the Link ECU on it and we're about to get it started up on E90 and we're about to make the exhaust for it as well. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you do subscribe and turn the notifications on. If you guys are new to the channel, I give daily advice every single day, just so I can try and help you guys out because I was there in a lot of positions that you guys are in right now. What I want to do today is encourage you guys, stop waiting around and do that thing that needs to get done today. Doesn't matter how big or small it is. I want you guys to like put forth effort, maybe relax and treat yourself to a couple, maybe a little more YouTube or whatever, but make the most out of every day. There's a lot of people that just don't. So many people take advantage of the precious hours that they have. And instead of doing that project, starting that business, or even just bettering yourself, like being a better person today, whatever that journey looks like for you, a lot of people avoid that and they'll just go play video games all day long. They'll just waste their time. Guys, every day is important. And I just want to encourage you that whatever that thing is that you really desire to do, or whatever that thing is that really needs to get done, I just want to be your reminder to get that thing done. You'll be successful if you wake up every day and you analyze what needs to be done and you chase it. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys next video. Have an amazing day. Peace. Hey, I got 2 videos for you guys to watch. It helps me out a ton if you keep watching, but also this just, just good videos. So, what do you gotta lose? Oh, subscribe too. Bye.